Hello guys, hopefully this is the attempt I get to record this properly. I've tried this like 10 times already and it hasn't sounded right, plus I keep on messing up my voice. Today we're going to be playing Celeste with the hiccups modifier. The hiccups modifier is basically a post B-side thing, I'm pretty sure, where you can emble it and basically it makes Madeline do a little hop every few seconds, even in like mid-air or off of walls, which becomes really annoying. So I'm gonna explain what's going on basically. Basically the counter in the top right is the amount of rooms that I've had to skip due to the modifier making it plain impossible. Chapter 1, The Forsaken City. The easiest chapter in the game, unless you get hiccuped off of a wall, which happens to me in a few seconds in this clip. But even with this, it's really easy. Okay, Chapter 2. Despite the difficulty rise, which is not noticeable, you can still do some of the tech you can normally do because the generous intervals, although sometimes you will struggle like what I just did in the previous clip. I barely made it. Sometimes you can just not move when you dash due to hiccups, which can cause a neutral dash, I'm pretty sure it's called, which can also cause you to just not move in the dream blocks. Also, this is my third recording because I accidentally deleted the previous. Okay, Chapter 3, Celestial Resort, aka my least favourite chapter in this entire game. And that's because the obvious cycles. I don't remember it being that bad, and you just saw me do the demo dash through the creatures, whatever they're called. I completely forget. But yeah, Hotel is kind of annoying. So, Chapter 4, I forget the name, it's like Golden Ridge or something. Look at this tech I'm doing, by the way. I'm doing like a cloud super or something, I don't know. Kind of difficult to do it with the hiccups, but yeah, this level's generally quite difficult, especially this room, because the hiccups make you like hop off of the block and you need to stay on it to move it. But I eventually got it. But yeah, this level's quite difficult because the hiccups make it kind of tedious to try and deal with certain rooms, especially rooms with wind. Like this room is a nightmare. You kind of have to like jump at the perfect time to not get thrown off. And it's like, it's so irritating. But it's not irritating in a bad way. It's like almost like a fun annoyance. Definitely overestimated this chapter, to be fair. Okay, Chapter 5. After that really, surprisingly easy chapter, this is a little ramp up in difficulty, but look at this cool skip I do. But, there is a very big problem, which I'm going to show now. Yeah, it's impossible to beat this room because of the hiccups making the bubble go up. Which is sad, but whatever. Other than that, disaster, this chapter's quite good, except for the deviating bubble in this room. I made it eventually, but yeah. How does this not make you lose your golden, by the way? Madeline dies. She clearly dies, but you keep the golden. I just don't have it in this clip, but whatever. Wah wah. Check out this cool skip I did. Sorry, I had to say that first. Alright, this is chapter 6, and I don't quite remember much about this, so... Sorry, I have to record voice while watching footage. I forgot I did that. Oh, by the way, I wanted to test if the secret room with, like, all of the other characters that Maddie made were here, and it is possible to get there. So, that's cool. I'm getting sidetracked. Sorry. Basically, chapter 6, I don't remember much, but it was easy in some parts, and then hard in others. Like, anytime I had to grab the side of a Kevin block, it was a nightmare. But I eventually got through it, judging by the fact that I'm showing the final room of the level. There are a few things I would like to say before the video ends. 1. Yes, this is a voice reveal. 2. Happy April Fool's Day. Okay, yeah, that sounds really simplistic, but like, seriously, thank you for like, well, not much support on the channel, but thank you to those who are like watching my videos or subscribed, mainly my friends.